This is a quarter where we displayed strong execution in the face of continued macroeconomic uncertainty. This is a third consecutive quarter of more than 10 billion in order book.
The kind of projects that we are winning, it's fantastic. And in every project, there is an element of cloud, element of automation, generative AI, ML. So it's a new technology-based wins, which is very satisfying for us. We have trained about 100,000 plus people in TCS who are Gen AI ready.
We've been investing heavily in our fresh talent, and that investment is now paying off.
We continue to invest into our infrastructure, and we took measures where we can optimize or we want to optimize on. So expenses might go up, but we don't see a substantial impact on margins.
Clients want to invest in newer technologies, so technology adoption is very high. Our pipeline is quite strong, and it gives us a confidence that our order book will also continue to be strong.